Sanjiv Malik from Mission Genius Mind. This audio is meant to be listened to at night while you sleep. To gently and daily instill affirmations into your mind. In this we will continuously speak affirmations. You can play this and go to sleep. Because at that particular time, our mind naturally and effortlessly enters the alpha state. And these positive affirmations, this intentional self-talk, go directly into the very depths of our subconscious mind. So now, let's begin the affirmations. If, along with listening to these words, you also visualize them within yourself, it will be very beneficial for you. Try to keep visualizing as you go along. Permission to start. Here we go. Love myself. I completely accept myself. I admit that I have flaws. But I am continuously improving myself. I always smile. My personality keeps getting better and better. There is always a smile on my face. There is such a gentle, radiant glow on my face that everyone feels drawn towards me. My aura keeps expanding continuously. There is a positivity within me. People are naturally attracted to me. The positivity inside me makes everyone else positive too. People often feel genuinely happy and truly joyful whenever they see me. My aura keeps expanding continuously. As soon as people see my face, they feel peace, joy, happiness, and confidence. They feel motivated. There is sweetness in my speech. I am able to express myself very well. People listen to me attentively. My communication is excellent. I can impress everyone. Whoever meets me is definitely impressed by me. People's hearts light up as soon as they see me. The joy within me keeps increasing. I meditate for 1 hour every day. I wake up early in the morning. 5 hours of sleep is sufficient for me. After that, I wake up on my own. I feel very energetic. My body is filled with energy. I always dedicate my mornings to self-improvement. I make myself positive. I always meditate. I meditate for at least 1 hour. I connect with my soul. I continuously walk the path of self-discovery. My mind remains calm at all times. I really enjoy getting to know myself. One of the greatest goals of my life is self-realization, and I will definitely achieve it. In the next 10 years, I will achieve complete self-realization. I continuously work on my qualities. I constantly try to improve my qualities. The qualities within me keep increasing. I have patience within me. I know that things take time to accomplish. That is why I fully accept it. I accept my own delays as well as any delays caused by others. I accept it. I know it takes time. There is immense patience and immense peace within me. I smile warmly, and my genuine friendly smile naturally attracts people to me. People are drawn towards me. The peace within me brings peace to them as well. There is humility within me. Even though I possess so many qualities, I always remain humble. My communication skills are very good. My confidence keeps increasing continuously. My confidence is constantly growing. I feel energetic throughout the day. Whenever I am asked to speak in a meeting, my confidence increases even more. I am able to express myself with full confidence. My convincing skills are very good. I constantly engage in positive self-talk. My mind is always filled with positive thoughts. I think positively. I can turn every negative thing into positivity. My mind remains calm. I can easily clear the clutter from my mind. I always make sure to take slow, deep breaths, and I notice that my breath consistently and gently reaches all the way down to my navel. Taking deep breaths keeps my mind calm. The habit of worrying about every little thing has left me. I remain calm at all times. I stay joyful and happy. The amount of money I have keeps increasing. I am very wealthy. My wealth is growing. New opportunities are arising, and I know very well how to make use of these opportunities. My subconscious mind keeps giving me hints, and by understanding those signals, I invest money wisely. And the amount of money I have keeps increasing. I have many ways to earn money. Respect and honor in my life are increasing. Wherever I go, people are drawn towards me. Love is growing in my life. I believe in giving in every relationship. I know how to give love to people. Only then will I receive love in return. That's why I spread a lot of love. I sincerely appreciate people. I recognize the good qualities in everyone. It's very easy for me to make friends with strangers. Because I spread so much love, I receive love again and again. I sincerely appreciate people. That's why I receive appreciation. I always praise people for their good deeds. That's why I am appreciated for everything. I know that along with respect, insult is also necessary in life. Even when something unpleasant happens in my life, I remain calm. Even if I'm ever insulted, I stay calm. I know this too is a part of life. The joy in my life keeps increasing. I remain in a state of equanimity. Equanimity means I am rising above both sorrow and happiness equally. I am awake in my consciousness. I remain in the state of witnessing. I live with awareness. Even in sleep, my mind will remain calm. An inner awareness will remain within me. The mind will continue to become more peaceful. Happiness keeps increasing within me. Every day by doing yoga, exercise and pranayama, I keep increasing my life energy. There is great beauty, happiness and joy in my life. I love this life. I love all my friends very much, and they also love me very much. My life is filled with love. I know very well how to maintain all my relationships with love. My mind remains calm, joyful, and happiness in life keeps increasing. For all these joys and blessings in life, I sincerely thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mission Genius Mind from Sanjiv Malik. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please be sure to like and share it, and also kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.